Hello, and welcome to CONEXPO-CON 2020 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm Holly McAvoy, Marketing Communications Manager for John Deere Construction and Forestry. And we're here today to show off all of our new products, technology, and dealer solutions that we bring to help our customers run their worlds. Today, we're about to watch our opening program that'll give you a nice overview of all the great stuff we brought to the show today. So let's watch.
Honestly, I feel like in a lot of cases, Preston is on our jobs now more than I am. You know, he's willing to do whatever it takes.
The best dealers are the ones that are thinking about you even when you're not calling them. That's what Meade does, and that's what Preston does.
It's not unusual at all to find Richard in the quarry. He's like a brother to us. This is the best way to explain it.
They're always here for me. They always answer my call, and they always show up to help me get through any situation that I'm in.
Their dealers are really what set John Deere apart. They go above and beyond.
John Deere has been second to none in underground work, and that's why we own over 70 pieces of John Deere equipment.
If I did not have that relationship with Bob, I don't think I would be where I am today. Road building is challenging. The service is what keeps us alive. They understand the tempo of the work. They understand the necessity to keep us going.
The 333 SmartGrade is going to be a machine that everybody in the industry is going to start chasing. I'm definitely excited.
Deere got this right. It goes beyond my expectations.
Let's keep it going for all the John Deere dealers who help get things off to a flying start. Good morning, CONEXPO-CON Ag. My name is Kathleen, and this is Brian, and we're thrilled to see so many friends and familiar faces here this morning, including, of course, all the John Deere dealers on the show floor.
Take a look around. Chances are you'll discover that today, like most days, there's a John Deere dealer standing by your side. They are among the thousands of dealer employees around the world who pass this sign on their way to work every day and who work tirelessly to deliver on the promise it represents.
Thanks to their efforts, this is a sign of integrity, a sign of innovation, of dedication and expertise, and, as so many of you have told us, a sign of friendship.
Which is why our exhibit showcases our dealers' remarkable contributions to our own company's growth and hopefully yours as well.
Let's begin up top. The entire second floor of our exhibit, called the Solutions Deck, is a dedicated gathering place for dealers and customers like you.
Up here, you can learn about your dealer's latest capabilities, like advice on our industry-leading range of OEM grade management solutions, or maybe just share a cup of coffee and a conversation. On the main floor, our exhibit is organized into 4 production systems that all our dealerships have expertise in.
For quarry and aggregates, just follow the bouncing dealer to your far right. Here, you'll find an impressive collection of high production iron, including a Kleeman crusher from the Working Group. We're proud to have the Working Group as part of the John Deere family. While you're there, be sure to check out the new obstacle intelligence and payload weighing technologies under development.
For true in-the-trenches support, head to the far left of the exhibit where you'll find our underground lineup.
Directly in front of where Brian and I are standing, we have some of our most popular site development equipment, including the remarkably powerful 850L and brand new 700L dozers.
And our 644 wheel loader, which offers the first look at our performance tiering strategy. Beginning in 2021, you can choose a performance tier that best matches your application.
Right across the aisle is the road building section, where we have the industry's first motor grader with fully integrated mastless grade control.
Throughout each of these areas and our entire exhibit, you'll discover how we're partnering with your John Deere dealer like never before to meet your needs.
For example, 100% of our North American dealers and a growing number of dealerships around the world now house machine monitoring centers, where dedicated experts maximize the health of your connected fleet 24/7 using our powerful suite of John Deere connected support technologies. This makes good on the pledge that we made on this very stage in 2017, and customers tell us it has a profound impact on helping them increase their uptime and lower their costs.
This year, we're announcing something equally ambitious. By the end of the year, all our dealer groups across the United States and Canada will have certified rebuild centers, dedicated and equipped to providing a second life to all your high production machines.
Our support of large, high production equipment doesn't end there. Did you know all our dealer techs must be certified before they can work on your heavy equipment? Plus, our Big Parts Promise ensures specific levels of availability on select heavy equipment parts, or you save big.
But the big news is not limited to our big machines. Our compact line is represented here in full force as well. From our seriously upgraded line of G-Series small frame skid steers, to a broad range of attachments, to what may be our biggest news of all.
We're talking, of course, about the game-changing 333G SmartGrade Compact Track Loader, the world's first CTL with fully integrated mastless grade control, an inspired piece of engineering that will instantly transform how and where you use a CTL.
It's equipped with a purpose-built 6-way dozer blade and guided by an integrated 3D grade control system. You can now precision grade in areas most motor graders and crawler dozers can't even reach. One push of a button instantly converts the EH controls into dozer mode so your crawler dozer operators can easily run this machine.
And this accuracy doesn't come at the expense of the versatility and power you expect from a Deere. You can still switch from dozens of attachments in minutes and transition from grading to stockpiling on the fly. It is, quite simply, the end product of everything we know about grade control technology wrapped up into a tough, versatile, compact machine.
And it's fully supported by your John Deere dealer, who now offers the most comprehensive OEM grade management lineup in the business. Best of all, it's just one of the many exciting things to see in our exhibit, and just one of the many ways that John Deere and your John Deere dealer help you run
your world. Thanks, everyone, and enjoy the show.
Wow, so that was a really exciting opening program, and now I'm here with Greg Supanzik, the product marketing manager for this piece of equipment that's the literal centerpiece of our booth here today. Greg, can you tell me a little bit about the technology that goes into this piece of equipment?
Sure, Holly. I'd be happy to. We took one of the most popular, most productive machines in the industry, our 333 SmartGrade CTL, and we integrated grade control technologies to help the customer be more productive and more accurate in their job site, as well as compact enough to be able to travel from job site to job site very fluently.
So when you say it's got SmartGrade technology, tell me more about what that means.
Sure, what that means is it's fully integrated, it's massless. As you can see, there's no towers on the front of the attachment, and it helps the operator be more accurate so they understand the grade of the land in real time in the monitor of the machine in the cab, and they're able to manage the grade automatically to make the job site crafted how they'd like to have it at the end of the day.
So one other special thing I can see on this piece of equipment is the blade. Tell me about how the blade makes that technology come to life.
Sure, it's part of the package for us. It's fully designed and built in Dubuque, Iowa, right next to our crawler dozer pieces of equipment, and we purpose-built this machine to work perfectly with the 333 track loader.
That's great, but once someone gets this package with the dozer blade, are they stuck with that blade?
No, that's another great thing about our design. This is an attachment that can be changed out to any of the 50 attachments that John Deere offers today with no tools required at a push of a button if needed.
Wow. And you mentioned the monitor inside the cab. Does that play a role in this whole package?
Yeah, absolutely. That helps the operator understand what the grade is currently. It gives them a snapshot. It will also help them identify how much of the land to maybe shape or shave to be able to get the actual grade that they're looking for that job site.
And the controls are also specialized for this piece of equipment?
Yeah, and that's a really important thing. Our customers told us that they want the capability, if needed, to be able to change the control pattern to run like a dozer. So at a push of a button on our SSM that we have in the cab, the operator can change our control pattern, the skid steer control pattern, to run like dozer mode if needed.
There's so many great things about this machine. I know customers are going to be excited to get their hands on one. Can you tell me when this will be available?
Sure, we're working hard every day to make this available coming this fall.
Great. Well, that's all we have today from CONEXPO-CON. Thank you, Greg. We'll see you later.